Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. I'm going to show you what looks to be happening since this election is underway. From the stats that I see, it looks like Trump is clear winner. Let me see if I could show that to you. No, it doesn't matter. Well, it should matter, but you get the news. But anyways, let me show you what's going on in the markets. Nothing really has changed from the harmonic scans. We have here the Russell 2000. It's been flat, as you can see. That's a one-day chart. These are all one day. It looks like the USD Hungary's not gone anywhere. And now we still have these other shorts here that have been in play. So I think you will see a pop once it's formally announced. But if you go to the Guardian site, it clearly shows real time what's being counted, and it looks pretty red for both all the key states for Trump, with all red mostly except for Detroit at this time. This is the one stock I would think looks pretty good long term, is sugar. I mentioned that before. Everything else is short. Hong Kong, that's a strange one, but I've seen that before. Let's see what else is doing anything. So we're now on the very good. So everything's pointing short, but I don't know why the U.S. markets are not the other big ones that you would expect to see, because the U.S. markets are fairly high. Let me just go in here and make sure we've got them covered. I don't think they are, but I'll just make sure. So what I'm namely referring to is the SPX, the SPY. Okay, so I'm going to show this how we so yeah, I didn't include that. Let's see what else we have here. We're going to also have to include the NASDAQ. Yeah, these were not included in the list of instruments. That's why they're not showing. And I think the other ones, US. So I want to make sure we get all of these covered. Yeah, the US, I'm not sure what the 250, or I can't remember the number. Let's see the 500 here. But definitely the other US indices are not included. So I'm going to rescan this just to make sure that we do have included the major US market indices, because I don't think they're included. I can always go over to pull up Opera here. We can go over to the so I can go to Opera. Bing. Okay, maybe that's better. Bing. Okay, so we want Oanda CFD list, because this is CFD list. Okay, here we go. Should have a list here we want. The U.S. Russell's on top. I don't know why the U.S. markets are not up there. Okay, so yeah, we want the indices. So we got Germany, anyways, I'm not going to worry about this if it's not showing up, but clearly the indices, U.S. indices are up as well. We'll leave it at that. And we shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching.